Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming on here. Today I am going to cover a new tool, and that is the Loft tool. It can be thought of as kind of like the extrude tool. Instead of having the same face on both sides of the object, you can create an object with two different faces on each end. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you today. To do that, I'm going to start by creating a sketch on the top plane. I'll do a triangle. Click, go to 3 sides. There we go. That is the first face I need. Now, I need a second shape that is away from this shape. And to be able to make a face that's away from this face, I will need to create a new plane to sketch that new shape onto. So I hit the plane button. I keep it on offset. I'll put in 5 inches. That'll do. I select the plane I just created. I hit sketch so that I can create a new face. Now, I will make a circle. Let's just start with a circle. Now, when you create a loft, basically what that does is it takes the vertices of your first face and connects them with vertices on the second face. So your two faces, although they don't have to be the same shape, they do have to have the same amount of vertices. Now you may be thinking, well, a circle doesn't have any vertices. And a circle doesn't have to have vertices, but it technically can. It can have points. Well, I'm not sure if points are exactly the same as vertices. Vertices might just mean corners. But either way, points, at least in Onshape, are the same as vertices. And so since a triangle has 3 vertices, or points, corners, whatever you want to call them, I will add 3 points onto my circle here. Like so. I hit the green check mark. Now, I should be ready to loft. Hit the loft button. When profiles is highlighted, I select the 2 shapes. And they will connect like that. As you can see, the points will connect. And we have a very interesting shape here. Now, as you can see, like many other tools, you have the new, which would create a new part. Of course, have no option but to create a new part here because this is my first object in this workspace. But if you already have an object, you could use the add feature, which adds onto the part. Remove. Obviously, you could remove part of an object with this tool. Intersect, I would need more info on that, though. Now, something that I think that most of you out there will probably find very interesting is the fact that you don't have to loft 2 shapes in a straight line. You could do a curved line, or technically a spline, as it's called in Onshape. And to do that, you would need to make a loft path. You would need to make a sort of path of loft that would connect the two faces. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create 2 more end faces. I'm going to start out with a rectangle. I'll just do a rectangle down here. There we go. Rectangle. And now I'm going to make a new face that is not parallel to this face. And technically it will actually be perpendicular. This is just going to show you that you don't have to have 2 faces that are parallel. They can be perpendicular or even neither. So, to do that, I'm going to offset from this plane and move it somewhere over here. So I'm going to take this arrow, drag it forward. The computer's being kind of slow, so might take a bit. Alright, this is good. Now, take this plane, expand it. Oops. Like so. Alright, that's good. And hit sketch. I'm going to do another rectangle. Kind of feeling in a rectangular mood right now. So, there. That'll do. That will do. Now, I need to make another plane that intersects with this face. Now to do this, what I need to do is the same thing that I actually demonstrated in one of my other videos. I'm not exactly sure which one it was, but what I need to do is select a plane perpendicular to this face, which in this case would be the front plane. Select the new plane. Instead of offset, I'm going to select plane point because I'm selecting a point that I want to intersect with the plane. And this creates a plane right here where I need it. Now, I'm ready to make the path. So, have this highlighted. Hit sketch. What I need to do is make sure the path touches both faces. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a spline. I'm going to stop there because what I need to do is I need to use this face. Make sure it touches. So, I'm going to take this. Oops, nope, I don't want a construction spline. There. Hopefully that does work. Now, Loft tool. I'm going to select path. Select these lines as my path. First, I know I'm skipping over the profiles, but it doesn't matter which order you select things as long as you get them selected. There. Now, as you can see, it's a pretty unique loft. You don't always have to have a straight line. You can do splines, which makes for some very interesting creations. Might incorporate this into a future project. And so that's basically it for the Loft tool. If you watched all the way through this video, I want to say thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button if you want. Subscribe if you want. That obviously helps me out. And with all that being said, I will upload another video tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.